We started in '93 with big dreams in mind. One truck on the road, leaving all else behind. Now our fleet is modern, strong and true. With us everything's easy, safe and smooth. No empty runs, every mile's got a plan. Through rain or snow, we do all we can. Warehouse to warehouse, coast to coast. For every journey we give it the most. On the open road we ride, with pride in every stride, we break the barriers wide. On the open road we ride. From sunrise to sunset we chase the sky. Keep moving forward, never asking why. With the engines roar and the radio song, in this bustling world we know we belong. From the mountains high to the valleys low, through city lights and where the